Hello folks, the alpha of the DCS Web Editor released a while back, so I figured it was time to make a quick video going over the functionality that currently exists. But before we do, obligatory disclaimer, this is a community-made project and is not associated with Eagle Dynamics. You can find the links for the project Discord and Patreon in the video description. Alright, so this is DCS Web Editor Alpha version 0.2.4, which is for now still mostly proof of concept. The UI is very similar to the viewer, so I won't be going over it in detail. I'm mostly interested in this main left-hand panel. So let's load up a mission. After load Ms is save Ms. You can also use Control-S to save as well as Control-Shift-S to quick save your mission. You can change the theater of the mission. You have a file editor, which lets you edit the Lua files embedded in the Ms directly inside the DCS Web Editor. An export mission.json option, which will export a JSON version of the file editor's mission.lua. A new option, which will just create a new tab of DCS Web Editor. In map options and coalitions are non-functional. Weather, I believe, is mostly functional. And in date and time, the date is functional, but the time will not translate over to the native editor as of yet. In units, we can open up a unit list where you can see the current units that you have inside your mission, as well as select units, and it will highlight them. And we also have the unit menu. Here you will be able to select your country and coalition and be able to drag and drop units onto the map. This was working in the last version, 0.2.3. It broke in this morning's update, but I'm sure it will probably be fixed again for the next update. Triggers, for now, is non-functional. Statics is non-functional. Drawings is non-functional. Alright, let's talk about templates. So here we have a templates menu. So we can create a new tab of templates. Let's call it Sam's. Go over there, and we'll select this unit. We can give it a name. Let's call this SA2. We'll give it an orange color. And we'll add template. Now you noticed that it made this box. So what I can do is grab this box, drag it over to any point in the map, plop it down, and that group of units, that template, got transferred to the map. Very cool. Now a really neat feature is, let's say this was a threat ring for the SAM site. You can, oh, hold on. Now it should work. Yeah, there we go, 17 selected, okay. Say 2 plus trigger zone, add template. Oh, let's not forget to make these guys red. I can grab this, plop it on the map, and it will include the trigger zone as well. Now you can do this with any number of units, any number of trigger zones, and you can create any templates that you want. Very cool. And to save your templates, remember to export them. It's very simple. Hit the export button. dwe template sams.json. Good enough. Save that. And then you can import. Similarly, find the file and import it. Alright, so collaborate is non-functional, plugins, non-functional, and help will bring you to a Discord link. So you notice there's a paste offset XY here, 100 meters. What this does is if I select these units, Control C to copy, notice copying 16 items, and paste, it will paste these items with an offset of 100 meters north. I can grab these, move around. If I switch this to 400 meters, paste it again, and it pasted 400 meters north. You can do this with negatives, and you can also do this with on the x-axis. Alright, so let's talk about another big feature of what the DCS Web Editor can do right now. So that would be changing theaters. Hold on, let me find mine. There it is. So if I want to drag all of these units to a different theater, there is a small process that you have to follow, although it's very simple. Let's go to the Persian Gulf. So first thing that you want to do is change your theater. I'm going to find the P here for Persian Gulf, and you notice that on the bottom there's a pop-up. After changing theater, make sure you move the position of all units, triggers, waypoints, etc. Only units moved after theater change will calculate the correct coordinates on save. Elements outside the new theater bounds may get lost. So we changed our theater over, grab those guys, and move them over to the Persian Gulf. And we'll just pop them right over Dubai. Then you save. Call this overwrite 2. It already exists, that's okay, we'll just overwrite it. Hence its name. Perfect, and I've ported my units over to a different map. It is that easy. As you can see, the DCS Web Editor still has a ways to go, but like I said, proof of concept. And that's it for now. Hopefully this gave you a good idea of the current state of the editor. But if you would like more information about the project, join the Discord using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.